We aim above the mark to hit the mark. Akarna Dhanurasana, also known as Archer's Pose, is a seated yoga asana focused on building strength and flexibility. This is a pose that can be considered challenging, especially if you are a new practitioner. But if you invest time and effort to practice, you will definitely be able to hit the target. Grab your mat and let's get flowing. Start by sitting upright, lifting your chest and extending your legs forward. Seal the space between the inner thighs at the same time that you flex your feet. Bend forward, keeping your back straight as you reach for your big toe with your right index finger. Bend the left knee as you reach for your big toe and slowly draw your foot back towards your left ear. Lift your elbow until your leg is parallel to your mat. Hold this pose for at least 5 breaths. And when you're ready, release and repeat on the other side. Let's observe this on the right. Bending forward, reaching for your left big toe at the same time that you bend the right leg, reaching for your big right toe. Draw the foot towards your right ear. Bring the leg parallel to the ground. Keeping up your back as straight as possible, look forward. Hold this pose for at least 5 breaths. And when you're ready, release and come back down to Dandasana, upright seated position. There is a link for that tutorial at the right corner of your screen. Remember to keep your focus sharp like an archer, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.